The A main.
And it automatically seeded you guys into it as well. No, I'm not. Pretty much. Honestly, I don't. Like, once I set it up to the 20 seconds or somewhere, go back, I can put on goggles and fly. Like properly.
Coming up, race number 1. Open. Amen. Race order is Drone Wolf, Mad Nuts.
Going live now.
Mad Nuts 1-8 in first.
Taking that left off, Nats, hold on.
Drone Wolf 18-3 in first. Mad Nuts 18-9 in second. Drone Wolf 15-8 in first. Mad Nuts 16-4 in second.
Picking up doubly again.
Drone Wolf 15-4 in first. Mad Nuts 16-2 in second.
Oh! Leg.
Drone Wolf 15-3 in first. Drone Wolf done. The race is completed.
Well done, Mako, you won.
With a 15-3.
What did I get?
16-2 was your best.
Yeah, even better.
Yeah, bro. You guys are just getting quicker and quicker and quicker. Okay, now it's showing the laps, like on the side. It's got to be in a main, it can't be in a qualifier.
Look at that. Swamp thing. Till you land a quad, far north, come in any speed, safe and sound. But yeah, taste of disarm before.
That's awesome. That timer's going really good. I've got to take a screenshot of the current settings.
Oh, I was doing a bit of sagging myself there because we were smoking, buddy.
Yeah.
We were boasting, dude.